Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I remember when I first broke the story that Nnamdi Kanu was considering coming back to Nigeria for his mother's burial. A lot of the Enyi crew were quick to my comment section to give me all manner of abuse. So I now expect an apology from the Nzobu crowd as this story continues to gather momentum. As guys, I bring you this. Biafra, IPOB speaks on Nnamdi Kanu's return to Nigeria for mother's burial. So that's the headline. Biafra, IPOB speaks on Nnamdi Kanu's return to Nigeria for mother's burial. So now let's see now what the Igbo leader's intention is this time around. The indigenous people of Biafra IPOB on Friday declared that its leader Nnamdi Kanu does not need any form of permission from the cabal in Aso Rock to return to Nigeria. This was contained in a statement by Emma Powerful, the IPOB's media and publicity director. Powerful said that an unnamed cabal at the presidency was surprised by the recent diplomatic feat Nnamdi Kanu had allegedly recorded. He said, recent decisive diplomatic advances recorded by our leader have taken them by surprise. Our leader, and by our leader, I mean, of course, their leader, the leader of the Igbo people, our leader never asked anybody to campaign for his return to bury his mother. Why these busybodies would be poking their nose into a matter that does not concern them is beyond understanding. Nnamdi Kanu does not need to consult anybody to return here. Our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is yet to make his intentions public regarding his proposed visit. If and when that happens, they should be rest assured that no permission will be sought from the Aso Rock cabal that rules Nigeria or anybody else for that matter. So now this is now the latest missives coming out of the IPOB camp via Emma Powerful, the spokesperson of Nnamdi Kanu. So now I'm just bringing this story really to back up a previous story that I had done on this channel when I broke the news that Nnamdi Kanu was having considerations of coming back to Nigeria to confront Malam Buhari and his cabal frontally. I broke that story just about a week or so ago, and there was all manner of abuse from the usual quarters, the Nzobu merchants. And by the way, when I say the Nzobu merchants, I am not speaking to the entirety of the Igbo people, who are some of the best people on this planet, not just in Nigeria, but on this planet. But I am speaking to the Okoro elements within the Igbo race, because every race has these elements in it. The black race, they will say, oh, you have to know the nigger from the black man. So the Okoros are the equivalent of the Nigga within the black race, within the Igbo race. So I'm speaking to that Okoro mindset that comes into my comment section to chant Nzobu anytime that they see Nnamdi Kanu's name mentioned. The uninformed, unintelligent mindset that just sees like tribal chanting as really the panacea to everything. So that's the Nzobu that I speak to, but not to the entirety of the Igbo race, who I have a lot of regard for and a lot of respect for. I love a lot of Igbo people. I of course have a lot of Igbo friends, and I admire a lot of Igbo people, especially somebody like Chinua Achebe, because I am given to literature, and that guy is a fantastically wonderful writer. So I like all of that element, and especially like Igbo culture as well, especially Igbo village culture, the honesty, the tradition, the dance, the music, the color. I love all of that. So I am an Igbo fan, but I am not an Okoro fan. And it's the Okoro element within the Igbo race that I refer to as the Nzobu merchants. And you know yourselves, because I know you will come in the comment section again on this video and expose yourself so that people can see the sort of elements that I am talking about. But that's my little rant. Back to the video. Conversations in the comment section. Nnamdi Kanu is now signaling his intention to return to Nigeria to come confront Malam Buhari and his cabal frontally, what do you make of it? Come tell me all about it in the comment section. But before you do this, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button will notify you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me all about the Igbo Kwenu going on within this particular storyline in the comment section. So I'll leave you here and we go Nzobu in the comment section. But here I say peace.